Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0339 is a diagnostic trouble code indicating an intermittent interruption in the crankshaft position CKP sensor circuit for the Honda HR-V model years 2016 to 2022. The CKP sensor is critical for engine management as it monitors the position and speed of the crankshaft, enabling the engine control unit, ECU, to optimize ignition timing and fuel injection. If the signal from the CKP sensor is interrupted, the engine may experience performance issues, which can lead to stalling or difficulty starting. Intermittent issues can occur due to poor electrical connections, damaged components, or loose terminals in the CKP sensor circuit. It is essential to accurately diagnose this issue to ensure proper engine operation. This guide will provide a systematic approach to troubleshooting, verifying and resolving the P0339 error code in your Honda HR-V. The crankshaft position CKP sensor's primary function is to monitor the crankshaft's position and rotational speed. This data is vital for the engine control module, ECM, which uses it to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing. In the Honda HR-V, the CKP sensor is typically located near the crankshaft, often at the front of the engine block. Additionally, the powertrain control module, PCM, processes information from the CKP sensor to maintain optimal engine performance. Proper grounding is critical. If the sensor is poorly grounded or has a faulty circuit, it may cause an intermittent signal interruption, leading to the P0339 error. Regular inspections of these components can help to identify issues early and improve the vehicle's overall reliability. Several factors can contribute to the occurrence of the DTC P0339 code. Poor electrical connections in the CKP sensor circuit can prevent the necessary signals from reaching the PCM. Likewise, loose or corroded terminals at the CKP sensor or PCM can disrupt connectivity, leading to intermittent errors. A damaged CKP sensor itself may not send the correct signals, requiring immediate replacement. Lastly, a faulty PCM may misinterpret input signals or fail to execute engine management functions properly. Addressing these potential causes promptly can help prevent more severe engine performance issues in the future. Symptoms associated with the P0339 error code can significantly impact vehicle performance. One of the most common signs is engine stalling, which often occurs due to failure in the CKP sensor signal. Additionally, owners may notice difficulty starting the vehicle, as the engine may not receive the crucial timing signals expected from the CKP sensor. The check engine light, CEL, may also illuminate on the dashboard to warn of underlying issues related to engine management. Intermittent misfires can manifest as shaky engine performance, which can be both alarming and detrimental to the vehicle's health. If these symptoms are observed, it's crucial to conduct a diagnostic test to confirm the presence of DTC P0339 and begin troubleshooting. The first step in troubleshooting for DTC P0339 begins with turning the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring all electrical systems are active without starting the engine. Next, you will use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from memory. Clearing the DTC allows for a fresh evaluation of the systems and can help eliminate any false codes or residual errors. After clearing, start the engine and allow it to idle for about 10 seconds. This idling period is essential to stabilize all systems. Following this, monitor the onboard diagnostics, OBD, status for DTC P0339 through the HDS. If the system indicates a failed status, you have duplicated the error, requiring further investigation. If it shows passed, further testing may be necessary, and you may want to check for other potential intermittent issues. The second troubleshooting step involves test driving the vehicle to assess conditions under which the DTC P0339 appears. During this test drive, the parameters related to engine speed and vehicle speed must be monitored, especially those aligned with previously recorded freeze frame data. This data helps in understanding the conditions that triggered the error and can be valuable for replicating the issue. After driving, monitor the OBD status using the HDS again, similar to the previous step. If the system indicates a failed status upon retest, it suggests that the original failure has been replicated, and you should then check for poor connections or loose terminals at both the CKP sensor and the PCM. If passed, it signals that the system is temporarily functioning okay, but caution should be exercised to inspect the connections thoroughly for any intermittent failures. For Step 3 in troubleshooting DTC P0339, focus on examining the condition of the CKP sensor circuit connectors and terminals. Start with the CKP sensor, as its connections can often be a source of error. Look for any visible signs of corrosion, wear, or damage. Next, inspect the connections leading to the powertrain control module, PCM. A loose connection here can severely affect communication between the sensor and the ECM. Additionally, ensure that the engine ground and body ground are secure and intact. Poor grounding can lead to erratic sensor behavior, which may cause the CKP sensor to provide inconsistent signals. If any faults or damages are discovered at this stage, repairs must be made before proceeding to further diagnostics. The final troubleshooting step addresses the CKP pulse plate, which is integral to the CKP sensor's functioning. Begin by carefully removing the CKP sensor to gain access to the pulse plate. Once exposed, inspect the pulse plate for any visible damage or wear, which can impair its function and lead to erroneous signals being sent to the PCM. If the pulse plate is found to be damaged, it will require replacement, as this directly affects the accuracy of the crankshaft position readings. If the pulse plate is undamaged, you should proceed to replace the CKP sensor itself, as the issue may lie within the sensor module. Proper installation and securing of all components are vital upon replacement to restore full functionality. After completing repairs related to the DTC P0339, it is crucial to verify that the issue has been resolved successfully. Start by clearing the DTC from the ECM memory, once again using the HDS. This step allows for a fresh assessment of the vehicle's condition. Subsequently, conduct a road test to put the vehicle through various driving conditions, ensuring that the CKP sensor operates correctly. During this test, monitor the OBD status for any signs of the previously stored DTC. If the warning light remains off and the system indicates passed, you can confirm that the repair was successful. Always remember to document the procedures followed and the outcomes to aid future diagnostic efforts. To prevent the recurrence of the DTC P0339 and ensure the long-term performance of your Honda HR-V, proactive maintenance is essential. Start by conducting regular inspections of the CKP sensor to check for signs of wear or damage. Keeping electrical connections secure and free from corrosion is vital, so inspect connectors regularly. Maintaining clean and solid ground connections can make a significant difference in sensor reliability. Implementing routine diagnostic scans can catch potential issues early, allowing for repairs before they escalate into more significant problems. Such preventive measures not only prolong the lifespan of engine components, but also enhance the overall reliability and performance of your vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0339 is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. This guide outlined a systematic approach to troubleshooting, emphasizing the importance of thorough diagnostics and follow-up repairs. By duplicating the issue, verifying each component's integrity, and knowing when to replace parts, owners can effectively address CKP sensor circuit-related issues. Successful repair verification ensures that all necessary actions resolve the DTC, preventing reoccurrence. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance practices can lead to a smoother driving experience and reduced repair costs in the future, reinforcing the value of diligent vehicle care. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.